I like to look ahead. I'm an optimist, right? So what's on the radar? What is as you look forward in terms of how do we now take this to another level and continue to just blow away the customer experience? What kinds of things are you thinking about?
Yeah, I'm always looking forward. I think one of the things that we're doing now, and Emily mentioned this, we are using Unity streams. We have all of our clients, as I mentioned, are using us to power their e-commerce sites for tickets, right? So we are using Infinity Streams deployed on all of our customer e-commerce sites to start gaining insights and metrics for right now basic campaigns, right? Things like simplistic cart abandonment, or where did our patrons or prospects drop off during a renewal cycle, or where did they drop off as they were browsing the site, getting that data back into Eloqua and being able to automate, follow-ups like don't forget about the best seats before they're gone, those kind of things. So I think for us, we want to continue to build upon that. I think the data that we're able to access is part of visit behaviors that are happening on our collective client websites, and being able to use that data to plug into a more efficient lead score, or to plug into a database of live entertainment customers, and how we can activate on that for each of our customers will be very interesting. So taking a little bit of what we're doing now with the Unity streams. And I know it's a complicated concept for those who may not be using it, but just gaining insights into who's behaving and engaging and visiting our websites and being able to act on that in real time in Eloqua is an untapped market for us right now. And then, thinking more outside the box of things we're not doing, but we eventually want to do, I think, AI and machine learning is always on the horizon. How can we work with Oracle and R1 on how to capitalize on generative AI to make our customers' lives even easier as it relates to pulling content from other sites that are already being generated. Right, we have their own websites, we have emails. How can we connect the dots between what's happening on both? Would be an interesting concept. And then push notifications and SMS, right? Those are two things that still we saw in the world of where we are now. Everything went digital, everything went mobile. We saw an extreme adoption of mobile tickets over the last 2 years as we moved to touchless entry and things like that. And so now that our focus on having tickets on our mobile devices, continuing to capitalize on communication through those mobile devices, right? And so using the same personalization and segmentation engine like Eloqua, and being able to pick and choose in which medium we're going to deliver that message, right? Whether it's going to be email, whether it's going to be a push notification through that app, the Teams app, or whether it's going to be an SMS message, and really trying to communicate with our fans and prospects based off of their preferences, not based off of what we are limited to by a technology.
Yeah.